is our third session, that is anyone can learn C from i.a.h channel, and I'm Avik. Let's start. Today our session is control statement session, and we discuss about this. So let's start. Mainly 4 types of control statements are used in C language. They are if statement, and we are going to discuss about if statement. This is the most simple control statement out of 4, and the syntax is as follows. If first you have to write if, and then condition, then second bracket, then your statement, and we have to close it. Okay, where condition is the expression to be evaluated. Condition means this is evaluated, so we have to put it carefully. If condition is true, then statement is executed. If it is false, statement is ignored, and program continues to next statement. So we are now going to our second part, that is if else statement. If else statement is used when a different sequence of instruction is to be executed depending on logical value true or false of the condition evaluated. The syntax is as follows. If condition and then second bracket statement, we can add here several statements and following with else, just like this, and we have to close it with second bracket. That's it. We shall discuss it later in code blocks. And in third slide, we shall discuss about nested if else statement. In nested if else statement, an entire if else construct is written within either the body of the if statement or the body of an else statement. The syntax is as follows. Here if condition, and you can see the colored if else statement is within a if else statement, so that it is called nested if else statement. Okay, now the last one, that is else if statement. To show a multi-way decision on several conditions, we use else if statement. The syntax is as follows. We first put condition here, following if, and then statement 1. Again we put else if, and statement 2. If we want a multi programming statement, then it is very helpful, and we shall talk about it in detail later. Okay, that's it. And now we are going to put some programming examples, so just stay tuned. This video is going to be a longer one, so stay tuned. Okay, hello friends, now let us take some examples. At first we open code block just by typing here, and I already saved a program for if statement, so I'm going to run that. Okay, if statement. Okay, and here this is an easy example of if statement. It will sorry, if it will detect even or odd number using if statement. Okay, so for doing this we shall first add a standard header file, that is include studio.h, just like this, and then int main, as we do it every time to start a body. And within body we shall add int number, as here number is a integer value, and we created it by using num. And we shall add first printf for printing our number, that is enter any number, and then scanf for analyzing our number. Scanf is mainly analyzing for if your input, so we shall put it here. And after that we add our if statement, that is this: if number modulo 2 equal to 0, then our result will be even, as any even number is divided by 2 gives a remainder 0, so number will be even. If number not is equal to 2, then the number will be odd. It is that simple. Okay, so we are now going to run this. So let's check. Yeah, it just opened up. Now we are entering 14. You can see number is even, it shows, and it is not showing this because our required execution is already applied here. Number is even statement, so it's not going further. If that is not executed there in the first if statement, then it will go further. I'm giving an example more. Now we input 7. You can see the number is odd. So this is the if statement. You can copy it by pausing my video. And now I'm going to our next example. Okay, now I already choose a similar example to make it more easier. Here I also check even an odd number, but we use here else other than to if statement. Okay, and if you run a long-term program, then it will be more beneficiary than if statement, because it generally detects your command easily. As I here first added include studio.h as a standard thing, and main, this is also standard thing, and after that index and printf for a number input, and scanf for analyzing this. Again same condition, but you can see here in else statement I don't have to put another condition. I just used here else for other numbers, so it's better. And now I'm going to run this. Okay, now I'm going with this. Okay, given number is even, you can see. And if we give 7, given number is odd. Okay, very simple thing, just watch carefully. Now we are advancing for our next example, and that is else if statement. I'm not going through nested if else statement, as it is same as if else statement, just more if else within if body or else body, so I'm not going with this. Okay, here I'm putting the question first. Just a minute. So I have added the question here. Here in a class test, we have to detect grade of a student by inputting their result percentage. If result is less than 50%, then it is D grade. If it is less than 60% and greater than 50%, then it is C grade. If it is less than 75% and greater than 60%, then it is B grade. And percentage is, if percentage is greater than 80 but less than 100, then it is A grade. Now we have to create a program by using else if statement. So first add include studio.h and main. In the body we shall add int result, as we need here result percentage. So then we shall add printf, and here we input total number of marks percentage, so that we add here a printf, and after that we shall add a scanf to scan our result input. And after that, to make our program more interactive, that if you wrongly input greater than 100, then it will say your program is invalid and you have to try again. So for that we added this line, and with if statement. So if statement is also important here. If result is greater than less than 0 and result is greater than 100, then it will show invalid data and you have to try again. And after that I just used else if command and all the conditions. And when we make a end of this program, then we have to end it with last condition else, which I also used here as else printf grade A. Okay, so let's run this and see what happens. Okay, you can see it ask for total marks percentage. Here let it 87%. Okay, you can see it shows grade A. And if we give 40, it shows grade T. And now if we input 102, you can see invalid data, try again. So thanks for watching my video. You can easily copy my program, or you can also note it down from here. And have a nice day. Bye.